Hey guys, subscribe to my channel to get latest videos and tap that bell icon so you'll never miss another update. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn about how to change Facebook, Instagram and Twitter URL. So let's go to the web page on the computer, and this is my Facebook. You can see here on the account the arrow mark. So then go to settings and privacy and go to settings. You will see this when you click on settings, and this is the name. We don't change this one because account name will be that one only. So you have to change this. You can see username. I kept like this, and click on edit. If I see there is a Ryan Moses, and I will take out Mr. See, it is not there, not username, it cannot be saved. So check it out guys. Is there any usernames that are not available to your name? That is Facebook guys, and this is your username guys. So you have to change here. As you see here, this is the URL guys of Instagram. So when you click here, you will change the URL. I am leaving this one only. So this is name guys. What you can change within 4 days twice. For this you can see the proof. See guys, here some my name is being displayed here. That's it guys for this. And for Twitter you can go to settings and go to settings and privacy and go to account. You can see here guys username. As you click here, the username will be changed. If I see RAM was anything, it is not available, so I reback my name. So for this you can see here the proof. The link is my name is being shown in 3 proofs. Most of the people are customizing their accounts, so it will be over if they keep your name. So that's it guys on the Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Hope you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe.